definitely overbought on the Capri Suns and Kool-Aid Jammers. That was not very good planning. Alright, so John said mix them up, and I got plenty left. This was real popular today. Now, I got the same flavor, different brands, and I don't think these were too popular. The strawberry kiwi. So I think I'm gonna do all the. I'm gonna put all the blue raspberry in there. They like having purple tongues. That's what they kept saying. I have a purple tongue. Put those in there, and then I'll do some of the Pacific Cooler Capri Sun. Yeah. Stick one of these in there. Fruit punches. Alright, that's done. Refrigerate those overnight. Bags, little snack bags. We got the little water bottles from Food Line today. And then here's the thing John picked: sugar sprinkled coconut cookies. Alright, looks good. And then I'll put these in there tomorrow morning. I think that's a good thing. So I got 11 bags and almost ready to go for day 4 of the bus camp kids snacks. Nice foot.